Hello, hello, hello. So today I will introduce our factory, and then you can see in here. Here is Lampong factory, and then from 1919 to 2023. Okay, so right now already over 35 years. In over the world, no too much factory can over 30 years and can over 35 years. So right now, 1919 to 2023, already 35 years. Okay, so you can see we have a three company and all over the world, Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, and America, and Russia. So we have five companies all over the world. And you can see actually our factory start from 1985, but from 1985 we are in China, Guangzhou, and 1985 to 1990, 5 years, we start to build this building. Okay, so this one you can see, we are the 3A Lancome group. Okay, so you can see here, and this one here has three sets, total spray gun system. One controller can control 6 guns. Over the world, other brand only can control 4 guns or 5 guns, but our brand can control 6 guns. So that means if you buy one controller, you can install 1 or 2 more cold guns. This one can convenient all customers. And this 3 sets, right now I already received the customer first payment, the deposit, and 10,000. And after I send to the container, I can receive the full payment. So here have 3 sets. You can see our material. Our wood material is very good. You can see, cannot broken. Every time I put the cold spray gun system, I use the good wood. You can see here. So because when the cold spray gun system go in the container, will every day will bomb in the ship, will always easy broken. So I use the good material. You can check. And I want our machine is safe and no problem send to our customer. You can see here. Everything is no problem. This one is total spray gun system. Total is 3 sets. Actually, yesterday already sent to the container 1 set. And here I want to take all guys go to see our cold spray gun system. What is the cold spray gun system? Actually, this one is used on the folding machine. And this one is our cold spray gun system. You can remember the color. The blue color is mean the lucky color. So I use this one. And this one is our brand. Okay? Other brand, other color. Different brand, different color. But our brand is the blue one. Deep blue. Okay? And this one is our program system. Our program system is our technician produce. It's our factory produce. So our technician is University of Waterloo from Canada. And so when the team decide and produce the program system, I talk to him. I need easy use, easy install, and easy learn. So because this one is the technician, is the customer, he will use the program system. So I need he design easy use, easy install, easy learn. Okay, so this one program system is very stable because I already test 3 to 4 years. Or in this 3 to 4 years, I sold out many sets, and all customer give me the feedback is no problem and stable. And you can set the data on here, set the speed, set the small, set the big. Also can do this one. And you can check if you buy this controller, go back your country and go back your factory. After you check the video, and maybe 15 minutes, you will learn how to use. And you will learn how to use. The program system is very stable, no problem. And you can see here, this one, the controller back side, okay? Can install 6 glue gun here. Install 6 glue gun. And other brand only can install 4 or 5 gun, but I can install 1 to 2 more, okay? So total is 6 cold glue gun. 6 cold glue gun on the back side. Here, the second thing is the bond system. If you use the normal glue, normal glue, and then the bone system hard to broken. But if you want to cheap glue or bad quality glue, maybe easy broken. Maybe only.
你好，外卖是这里啊。
在直播。Maybe use 1-2 times and then we're broken. Okay, so we use the good quality glue, okay, and normal quality glue. Cannot use the bad quality glue because this one is very expensive. Even this one is made on our CNC department, but this one the material is very good quality, and then so the price is expensive. And this one we need to protect the bone system. And the gun system, the last thing important thing is here. The important spare part is the gun system. So when we use the CNC machine and then test the glue gun, you can check that if you use the good quality glue, easy come outside and easy control. But okay, if you use the cheap cold glue, and then your cold gun will broken, and you need to buy other new one to me. Okay, this one is our cold glue spray gun system, and 3 part controller, bone system, and the gun system is our factory produce. So I can control the market price. I can control our factory product market price, and then I can, before I produce this one, the cold glue spray gun system, all the brand, the price is very high, and maybe it's the double price and 3 times price. And but right now, only I cannot tell the price on here. So the price, if you get interesting, you can check our video and then send message, contact me. Okay, can contact me, and then I send you the good price and the video, and you can check. Okay, so this one is cold glue spray gun system, and this one is used on the folding machine. Maybe 85% customer they will use on the folding machine, because when you install on the folding machine, maybe 15 minutes later can finish, and then you learn here the program system 15 minutes. Okay, you can learn how to use. It's very easy. Okay. And if you want to buy the spare part, you can go to the website and you can check our Alibaba, and you can check our other software. Also you can check. Okay, it's very low, the price. And here, this one is our automatic die-cut machine. The machine price a little high, maybe 600,000 Chinese yuan, 600,000 Chinese yuan. Maybe it's from 500,000 to 700,000 Chinese yuan. The machine the price a little high, but don't worry, because you calculate the technician salary. The technician salary is very expensive for 1 year. So this one machine can use 15 to 20 years. In this 15 to 20 years, you can save a lot of technician salary. Technician salary always is the high price in the market. Okay, so if you buy this one, maybe the first year you need to pay the 600,000 Chinese yuan. But don't worry, because after 15 years, 20 years, you will calculate, you will save a lot of technician salary. Okay, so this one is automatic die-cut machine, and this one the speed is very fast, and one day can do 10 times, 10 more times the. So this one machine, maybe you can contact me, because I will send a lot of data to you, because I have a book and I can send you. This one is our factory produced, the automatic die-cut machine. Okay, so come here. This one is our second-hand cutting paper machine. On our second-hand paper cutting machine, we will use our factory produced computer paper system. You can see here has a screen on here, and here have the screen on here, and here have the screen on here. This screen is 10 inch, and software is our factory produced, and system is our factory produced. In this 23 years, we already upgrade 10 times. Okay, already upgrade 10 times, and then so it's very stable and easy to install. Of course, it's easy to use, because in this 23 years, we have many customer feedback, and then we change, we upgrade. This year is our upgrade already 10 times. So this one system stable and can install all cutting paper machine, China brand, Korea brand, Germany brand, and other country. Everything cutting paper machine also can install. So it's suitable for all customer, and the price only 500 USD. So you can think maybe our price is very lower on the market. And this one is our computer system, and the small paper we have. Okay, so don't worry. And this one is cutting machine, second-hand cutting machine and brand new cutting machine in our factory also have. And then actually I will send out and sold out a lot of cutting machine, brand new cutting machine on our factory. Because brand new cutting machine actually he will don't have problem, okay? Because it's brand new, all the spare part is brand new. But the second-hand machine, even I already recon, even I already trained the small spare part, but maybe 1 year later, 3 years later, he will have some small problem, only small problem. Okay, so you need to think about this one. And all the cutting paper machine second hand, I already trained the spare part. Okay, so don't worry, just buy it. Okay, don't worry. And this one is our second hand cutting paper machine. And go inside is our die cut, brand new die cut machine. This one is handmade die cut machine. And this one will let your paper becomes a paper box sample after the handmade die cut machine. If your budget is not enough, so you can buy the handmade black die cut machine. This one is an upgrade model. Okay, you can remember the black one is an upgrade model, and also is suitable on the market. 90% people, 90% customer to use because he's stronger. Okay, and this one upgrade version, upgrade model. And you can remember this one. You can check our video because we have a lot of technician video on our website. And here, this one, black die cut handmade machine. Can use and easy use. Okay. And here, this one is 100 mm size. This one is 930 mm size. Different size we have. Different version we have. Okay. And other version. This one, the green version is normal version. Normal version. This one maybe only suitable 70% customer to use because this is only normal version. Remember the green one is normal version. This one is 930 mm size. Because the 1100 mm size we already sold out and coming back our factory right now. So only this one 930 mm size, 930 mm size machine on our factory. And this one is green one, the normal version. Okay, normal version. Also can let your paper become the paper box sample. Also can finish. And this one is a green one. Okay, so we have automatic die cut machine, black one die cut machine, and green one die cut machine. Have 3 versions on the market. And then we go to the CNC department. And CNC on our right side. So inside the Wi-Fi not very good, so I will stand here and show you the machine. We total have 5 CNC machine. Total I spent 300,000 USD. Okay, 300,000 USD I spent. And 5 CNC machine. Why I want to set up CNC department? Because I can control the small spare part, the working time. And then I can give our customer very fast. And then I can give our customer the machine time I can control. So our factory machine, maybe 85% small spare part is from our CNC department. Our CNC department, the working time is 15 hours. It's a long time, but no problem because I need our customer can get his spare part very fast. Okay, so I set up the CNC department. Total 5 CNC machine. Okay, this one CNC department you can see 5 and 6 technicians inside, and they working 1 day. Okay, working 1 day, and only the lunch time and the dinner time can take a rest. So because our have spare part have a lot of spare part is very urgent to give the customer. Okay, so here is the CNC department. Okay, and then maybe we go to the second floor and see some coding machine. the second floor because I don't want to take the elevator because in the elevator the Wi-Fi cannot and also maybe the signal not very good. In the second floor we put folding machine. Okay. In here have 11 folding machine. So I think if you get interested in this one machine, maybe you know what is the folding machine. The folding machine is after the die cut machine produce the product, the paper box sample, and then the paper box sample can go inside the folding machine, become a box, like the frame mask box, like the present box, and so in the market, 80% the paper box also can use the folding machine. In China, a lot of customers they buy the folding machine because China have a lot of people in this country. So every day we need to produce the paper box, we need to produce the present box, and we need to produce the box, this one box. Also we can produce this one box. This box also we can produce. Okay, this one box also can produce. And then, so this one is our folding machine. Our folding machine, different spare part, different function, different size, can use. Okay, so here's our folding machine. And right now, actually have a lot of folding machine already have the first payment and receive our customer deposit. So right now we start producing. After maybe 15 days, and our technician will send a video to the customer, and then receive our last payment and go to the container. And this one is our folding machine. Okay, folding machine. And and then we go inside and see the video and see some PPT. Okay, you can see the PPT, all guys can see the PPT. This one, the whole building is for my grandpa. And from 1990 to 2023 right now, already over 35 years. And then you can see here, all the building is our factory. And then we produce the folding machine, we produce a cold gun spray gun system, and we still the whole spray gun system. Okay, and computer system used on the paper machine. Also, we have produced. And until right now, we already 38 years in Foresight. And so you can check here, folding machine, the controller system, the cold gun, the hot glue spray gun system, cold glue spray gun system, and second-hand picking machine. Also, we produce the brand new die cut and brand new second-hand machine. Also, we have. And here, you can see, I already hit all guys 10 minutes before. Okay, here is reception. Okay, here is our factory reception. So here is our factory, the spare part room. Have the die cut metric and all printing machine spare part. Here is our printing machine spare part room. Okay, so you can see many spare part on here. And this one is our office. Our office every day making the new order on here, on many software. And this one is our second-hand machine. This one is automatic die cut machine. And this one is second-hand cutting machine. Okay, all is for our factory production. You can check the PPT. Here is CNC department. Doing the small spare part on here. All the small spare part from this room, from this area. And here is our folding machine. Second floor, have 11 machines on here. And this one is our spare machine. So you can see the small machine we produce on the. So here's the technician room. Okay, so first is the glue system. Okay, and the cold glue gun, and then the cutting paper cutting machine, and here's the paper cutting computer system. And this one is auto die cut, handmade die cut, and this one, and this one is go. Okay, this one is a hot glue spray gun system. And hot glue spray gun system also can use on the handmade design machine on here. If you want to handmade design some spray bar, some product, some paper box, and you can use our design machine and use the hot glue spray gun system. And hot glue spray gun system can use on the paper box, can use on the toy, can use on many other things. And you can see here the hot glue after the sensor and then will go in the paper. After the sensor and the hot glue will automatically go in the paper. Okay. And this one hot glue spray gun system, and used on the folding machine. When the sensor can check the paper already come, and then we will have the glue go to the paper. You can see very fast and very high quality. You can check. After the sensor can check the product coming, and then the hot glue will go to the paper. The fast and the slow you can control. This one is hot glue. Okay. The computer system is our factory produce. So I can write down your factory name on here. Also no problem. This one is cold glue spray gun system. And our cold glue spray gun system is our factory important product on this year, because from last year we sold out a lot of discount price cold glue spray gun system on China market. So this year is our important product from this year, from 2023. And this one can use on a folding machine, and many customer, maybe like 85%, 90% customer on China market also have this one machine. Because if you don't have this one machine, you cannot do a lot of paper box. And you can see the speed and the quick. The glue come outside is big or small, you can set the data on the screen. And one controller can control 6 guns. You can check here, have 6 glue gun on here. Okay, so if you want to buy 2 guns, also can. If you want to buy 3 cold guns, also no problem. And total can install 6 guns. Okay, this one is our cold glue spray gun system. And cutting paper machine from 1990 to 2023. In this 35 years, we already sold out many machines all over the world. For example, Singapore, we have our factory, and Malaysia, we have our factory. So in these 2 countries, because we already 20 years in Malaysia and Singapore, so many customers they like to buy the China brand cutting machine on Malaysia and Singapore, because we can give the spare part to him and we can repair to him. So in the Malaysia and Singapore, the customer they really like the China brand because the price is very low and the spare part and the condition also we have. So everything is no problem. This one is cutting machine, cutting the paper. And here, all the spare part also we have in the spare part room. And you can check the computer system. The system is our tradition produced, and in this 23 years, we already upgrade 10 times. So system stable, system no problem, and easy install. Okay? Okay. And you can set the 100 times data on the screen. Also, your technician will save a lot of time to cut the paper because our old cutting machine, old version cutting machine, he don't have the computer system. You cut the paper one time, you need control the controller one time. So one day maybe you will waste 2 hours to control the data. And if you install the computer system, okay, can set 100 times data on the screen. Can use 100 times data. One day you can save 2 hours. 1 hour technician salary is 40 RMB. 2 hour technician salary is 80 RMB. So 1 day is 10 hour working time. So you can check. After 1 month, you can save a lot of technician salary after you install computer system. So you can set 100 the live data on the cutting machine. Polar cutting machine. In foreign country, a lot of customers they really like to install the computer system because the old version Polar cutting machine, he don't have the screen. Only here and controller. This one is see the data, and here is control. Every time you cut the paper, after you cut the paper, you need to control here and set the data every time. 1 day, 10 hours, 2 hours execution salary, your waste. After you install, 1 day you'll save 80 RMB condition salary. Okay? And this one is a die cut machine, handmade die cut machine. Handmade die cut machine can suitable the Africa country, can suitable the some country about the technician salary is very low because every time your die cut the paper on this machine, need handmade, okay? Need tradition handmade. After every time handmade, and then we will waste a lot of time. So this one die cut machine suitable used in China and suitable used the country about the tradition salary is very low because it will waste a lot of time. But the machine price is very low and suitable. Okay, and maybe only the 10,000 USD. Okay, and maybe only the 8,000 USD. Only the handmade die cut machine. This is machine. This one, machine. Die cut machine, different size. Also we have different size, but the price is the same price because this one, all the factory will buy a lot of. So I don't want to make a lot of money on only one spare part. Okay, so machine used on the die cut every day. And this one is a button. Start, stop, and urgent stop. Only 3 buttons on the die cut machine. The die cut machine is 90% spare part is mechanic. Okay, no electronic. Only the mechanic already 90%. So hard to broken. Okay, and this one is our new product for this year. This product, when your paper go here, when your paper from here and go to the machine, and then it will have some sticker on the paper. It will automatically let the sticker go to your paper when the paper come here. So it's faster than before because on the before is a technician do this one, is the staff do this one. But right now, when the paper comes inside here, and the stick will automatically go to the paper. Okay, and this one is our factory new product for this year. You can check the video on here, set the data, okay, and then the paper come here, and then go to the, after the paper come here, the controller, and then we go to the middle side, middle area, and the sticker will automatically go to the paper. All sticker You can choose. Okay, and see this video. So the sticker on the paper, you can see automatic when the paper come here and the sensor can check. And you can see here the sticker. Okay, so 幾耐啦
30
？30幾分鐘。
30分鐘。
Okay, so
我1個鐘頭40分鐘。
So
一個鐘頭10分鐘。
So this one is our die cut matrix. This one die cut matrix over the road, the price is a little high, but in our factory, because it's our factory produced, so a little low. Okay. This one have many size inside. I open one set, give you to see. Okay. And the matrix, if you want to buy from me, and if you want to buy a lot from me, I will give you the best price all over the world. You can check. Because in our factory, I sold out and I sell out and I promotion a lot of machine. So I don't care this one the spare part money. I don't care the spare part money. If I only make the money only 1 RMB, that's okay, that's no problem. Because my important machine is the big one machine, not the spare part. Okay? So this one spare part, if I only make 1 RMB, that's okay, that's no problem. I don't care the spare part money. And this one is the die cut matrix. Because if you buy from me the die cut matrix, and then maybe you will buy the machine to me, maybe 1 year later, maybe half a month later, you will buy the die cut machine from me. So I sold out the matrix to you, only I want to promotion the machine. On this book have 1,000 spare part on here, and also we have in the spare part room. Okay, from 1990 to 2023, we sold out 1,000 spare part from this book. You can check all the printing machine, all the die cut machine, all the cutting paper machine, all the printing before printing machine and after printing machine, all the machine and spare part we have. And from 1990 to 2023, we sold out 1,000 spare part. Okay, everything we have. If you have this book, you can check. Okay, and this one, what's the printing machine? Heidelberg Germany printing machine. The color, you can wash the color. You can wash the printing machine clean when the machine is dirty. And then if you put this one product on the water, and then it will become bigger. And after it become the big one, you can wash the machine and you can wash the color on the printing machine. Okay, all printing machine also can use this one. In our, maybe for example, the cutting paper machine, if cutting paper machine maybe dirty, maybe cannot clean, I will let our technician use this one and clean the machine. Also can do it. This one. Okay, and this one, the cutting paper machine, when you want to trim the knife, and then you take out the knife and put here. Okay, and put here. Okay, put here. This one is put the knife, put the cutting machine paper the knife. Okay, and this one can protect the knife when you take out. Okay, and this one is cutting paper machine, used on the cutting paper machine. And this one is die cut machine. So die cut machine, handmade die cut machine. He will always working is like this one, 2 hands, always die cut. Okay, and then so over here, he will always easy broken. Here the machine always easy broken. This part is this part. Okay, easy broken. This spare part, and then you need to every day. Put some oil inside, put some engine oil inside, and then to protect this one, because this one spare part in the die cut machine easy broken. Because every day working 10 hours, 20 hours, every day working. Okay, this one, even spare part easy broken. We need to protect this one. And this one. Okay, this one. In the Mid-Auto Festival, maybe it's September, maybe October, and then many customers, many people will send a present to their family and their friend, and they use this one. Use this one. Okay, you can check. They use this one. Okay, every day, did this one. So all the spare parts also we have. You can check our video and you can check our website. This one, paper, cutting paper machine. When the paper you want to go inside the cutting paper machine, but you want to protect your hand, you don't want to let the machine knife cut your hand, so you can use the wood paper. Okay, you let the paper go inside. Use this one, go inside, let the paper, and then you protect your hand. And protect your hand. Everyone, every people, every customer, all customer, they like use this one because can protect. Okay, this one. This one, the price is low, no problem. Okay, and all the paper also we have. Maybe today I only show you a little paper, but don't worry. If you check our website or if you have this one book, you can check the spare part and check the machine inside. Okay. 翻譯嘛，跟下個邊度？喺邊啊？Okay, so look the BBT. And here is our factory from 1990 until right now. Already over 25 years. And see the BBT and this building. Okay? And our building already over 35 years, and every day we working on here in this building. My grandpa, my mother, and me every day working on here. And our factory produces a folding machine, cold boost breaker system, hot boost breaker system, controller and cold gun and computer system, and second-hand cutting paper machine, second-hand die machine, and brand new machine. Also we have. And here you can see if you buy our system, hot boost breaker system, and we will give you the controller and the tank and the gun. Okay, this one is a hot gun, and this one is a cold gun. Okay, it's this one. Hot gun, cold gun. It's this one. But the price may be only a little different. Don't worry, not expensive. Okay, and if you want to use the down home, I will give you a location. Don't worry. Okay, so our factory introduced on here, and then we go to the next page. Okay, and then this one today we go to first promotion is a dual system, and the second one is the hot gun and cold gun spray gun system. And paper cutter machine and paper cutter computer system used on the cutting machine and die cut machine and the sticker machine. Okay, so let's take. Here, this one the machine is always used on the shoot and used on the paper box and used on the alcohol. Everything maybe 55% product on the market can use this one machine. This one machine is from here. This one machine is from here. There's a glue, hot glue, cold glue come outside from this gun, come outside from this gun, and then you can design the glue photo on the controller. Design the glue photo on the controller, and then the glue will come outside after you design. Okay, will come outside after you design. Hot glue, cold glue also can use. Convenient to learn and easy to install. Okay, and this one can save the technician salary on the China market. Maybe I think on the foreign country also can save the technician money. And this one, okay, you see here, and this mouth, the mouth can go outside the groove after you design the groove photo. Okay, come outside the groove after you design the groove photo, and then here the mouth have a sensor, the red color is the sensor, and then the sensor can check the product already here, and then you will start. Okay, so after start, the groove will come outside. The groove will come outside. And here is the sensor. The red color is the sensor. Okay. And also can let the glue come outside everywhere. Come outside everywhere. Also no trouble. Okay. And here is the glue. The glue will come outside. Okay. You see the glue will come outside, and then you will put the paper. Okay. Then you finish. And next page. Then you can see here, and the step, you can see here, the glue, after you design, you will come outside, okay, and save the technician salary. And this one is hot glue spray gun system. Hot glue spray gun system, hot glue spray gun system, and then when the sensor check the product, and you have the glue, hot glue come outside. If the hot glue come outside, you can set the data on the screen, the speed, the small, the big one. Also, you can set the data on the screen. The program system is from our factory produced, so everything is overall stable. Okay, and this one is hot glue. The yellow color is our hot glue. And this one is our pen. And this one you can check after the sensor check the paper coming, and then the hot glue will start. The hot glue will start. Okay? Here. Very beautiful. Very stable. Very beautiful and very stable. The speed you can up to you, depend on you. You set the data is fast, it will fast. You set the data is slowly, it will become slowly. After check the paper coming here and coming, and the glue will come outside. The hot glue will come outside. Okay? And this one is hot glue fragrance system. We will set the temperature always in 175 degrees centigrade. Only can up to 175 degrees centigrade. Because if the temperature, maybe 185, maybe 195, you keep a long time on this over temperature, the 5-liter tank and the 10-liter tank will get broken. Okay? Will broken because like our body, if our body always over temperature, 45 degrees centigrade, 44 degrees centigrade, 43 degrees centigrade, always long time, our brain will broken too. So the tank will broken if the over temperature a long time. So 175 degrees centigrade, you can use the gun, and the glue easy come outside. Okay, and you can use the gun. Okay, and this one is our hot glue spray gun system. You need to remember the degree centigrade is 175 can use. Okay, and this one is our hot glue spray gun system. And this one is our hot glue spray gun system, and the program system you can see ECU. And every day we have stock on our electronic room because every day we have a spare cold glue spray gun system. Okay. And cold glue spray gun system always used on the folding machine. Because if the folding machine, if the customer he don't have this one spare part. So on the market, maybe 85% the paper box he cannot do. Right now all the paper box is a new style. So he need the cold glue spray gun system. Very, very important for this machine. Every time, always use on the folding machine and easy install. Only 20 minutes you can finish install. Only 20 minutes you can know how to use the program system. Because I have technician video go to you, I have video sent to you, and I have technician video give you. Okay, so don't worry, just buy it and the price is lower on the market. Okay, and you can check here. Here have a system and one controller can install system. One controller can install 6 gun. Other brand maybe one controller only can install 4 gun or 5 gun, but our brand can install 6 gun and convenient to the customer. Because I help you save the money. Okay. If some customer before 2 years, before 3 years ago, maybe if they want to install 6 gun, maybe they need buy one more controller. Okay. Need spend 5,000, 6,000 buy one more controller. Okay, but right now our brand come out and can control 6 gun, so can let you save the money and convenient the customer. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gun, the cold gun. Testing 48 hours, and then we can go outside, and then we can go to give the customer after 48 hours testing. This one. Okay, and cutting paper machine. In our factory, we have the brand new cutting paper machine, we have the second-hand cutting paper machine, and we have the recall cutting paper machine. Second-hand cutting machine, we will train the spare part. And we can give the customer is already perfect condition. Okay, when we give the customer, the condition already perfect. And second-hand cutting machine, second-hand recall cutting machine, we sell our promotion on the Malaysia market, on the Singapore market, a lot of, because in these two countries, we have factory already 20 years. And then so in the China, in the Malaysia market and Singapore market, the customer, they prefer buy our China brand, buy our second-hand China brand or brand new China brand, because we have technician on the Malaysia and Singapore, and we have the spare part on the Malaysia and Singapore. So they trust me. Okay, and our cutting paper machine can send out all over the world, can go to everywhere, can go to every country. And if I give you the second-hand machine, it means I already give you perfect condition. I already change spare part. I already repair. Second-hand machine, cutting machine, we have. And brand new cutting machine also we have too. And our important product is the brand new cutting machine, because the brand new cutting machine I promotion on the China market is a hot sell right now. Okay, because the brand new don't have the small problem, and he will let the China customer every day can long working time to working. Okay, and this one is our computer system. Our computer system is from our factory produced. In this 23 years, we already upgrade 10 times. Okay, and so the system is stable and can install every one cutting machine. Can simple install every one cutting machine. Even the Germany brand, Korea brand, Japanese brand, also no problem. Every country, the cutting machine we can install, easy install, and system stable. Okay, can control 100 times. Can control 100 times about the life. And this one is old version product cutting machine. Old version product cutting machine, he don't have a screen on here. He only have here see the data, and here is the controller. Every time the technician cutting after cut the paper, and he did control the controller, he did control here and set the data every time after he cutting the paper. And then so maybe 10 hours working time, he will waste the 2 hour technician salary one day. Will waste the 2 technician salary hour for one day. Because he is waste of time to set the data every time. After he install the computer system, like this one, the same machine, you can check same machine. After he have the 10-inch screen, so can remember 100 to 200 times about the life. One day, 10 working hour, 2 working hour technician salary, you can save after you install the computer system. Because you can remember 200 times, 100 times about the life. All the data you can set on the screen. And after you cut, it will automatically go to the correct data. Okay, and cut, and will automatically go to the less data, and then you cut. So you can save 2 hours additional time for 1 day, and maybe only 1 month you can save this one money. Okay, this one is the software system on the cutting machine. And also we can put the machine, put the factory lamp on the computer system. Up to you, okay? This one is diecast machine, and this one is machine. This one diecast machine, this one diecast machine, and this one every day use the machine. Every day the machine need to use. So also I have on here. Different size but the same price. I only want promotion our machine, so I don't care the spare part money. I don't care the spare part money because I send the spare part. I sold out this spare part machine to you. Maybe 1 month later, you will load our factory and buy the machine from me. I only need use the machine and promotion our machine. So must check over the world. The price maybe our factory is very low. This one, the cheap, different size at the same price. I only want to promotion our machine. Okay, this one is a brand new handmade diecast machine, a green one, normal version. Normal version is this one. This one 90% is mechanic. Only 10% is electronic system. So hard to program. Don't worry, just buy it. Hard to program. Start, button stop, and stop. Only 3 buttons on the machine. And this one, also I have, is this one. This one is put on here. It's put on here. Every day the hand is working 10 hours, 20 hours, 24 hours every day. And every day working. And here is broken. Okay, here is broken. Here is broken. And then we train this paper. We train this paper. After we train this paper, your machine is perfect, no problem. But if you don't train this paper, your machine will no power and your machine cannot use because he already broken. You cannot use. And every day we leave engine oil go inside. Engine oil from here go inside the paper. And then let him every day do perfect. Okay, and this one, matric. Okay. This one is sticker machine. Sticker machine, the product go inside here, put here, go inside here, and come the middle side, and the sticker will automatically go to the paper. The sticker will automatically go to the paper on middle side, and then here is put the paper on here. Okay, put the paper on here, and go to the middle side, and the sticker will automatically go to the paper. You can check the videos and use the controller, and then put the paper on here, and then go to the middle side, the sensor, go to the middle side, the sensor check the paper count, and the sticker will automatically go here. Okay, it's a sticker machine. You can check. The sticker will on here. The sticker. Okay? This one is sticker machine. Okay, so yeah.然后转去切纸机那一页。可以。This one is used on the paper here. Here, when your paper go inside the machine, you want to protect your hand. So you want to protect your hand, so you can use this one. This one will let the paper go inside the machine and cut, so you don't need your hand. If you use your hand, maybe your contact sensor broken, cannot function, cannot work, and then your hand will bye-bye. And then after you use this one, you can put the paper go inside and then protect your hand. This one, the hand here. The hand is on here. You can protect your hand. Okay, so this one is a protect sensor. Protect sensor on here. Okay, so you can check the paper. The paper after going inside and cut and protect your hand. So this one is very important, but this one is much expensive. Maybe the 20 USD only. Not expensive for this one. You can buy this one. Okay, and this one, same spare part. When you trim the knife, when you want to trim the knife and then you take out the knife, you can put together so you can protect your knife. Because one cutting knife is very you need to protect here. Okay? Here, you can take out and then put here. And also I have the wood material. The price is low, but actually this one is an original size, original product. Okay, this one. Here the cutting knife, brand new cutting knife. Also I have produced brand new cutting knife. If you buy the cutting knife on China market, you will think you will have a lot of discount because the small spare part in our factories only use promotion. Only want to use the small spare part promotion our machine. And then if you buy our small spare part, maybe 1 month later, 2 months later, you will know our factory and buy machine from me. I only want this one. I only want use the small spare part promotion our machine. So our factory small spare part, you can ask our price because you will be excited. Okay, you will be excited. And this one is brand new cutting knife. And all spare part also we have. And this one is the cutting paper machine. Brand new second-hand recon cutting paper machine. Also, we have different function, different spare part, different price. Up to you. If the budget is enough, I suggest you buy the recon machine and the brand new machine. But if your budget is maybe a little, you can buy second-hand machine. If you buy the second-hand machine, the small spare part I already changed and good condition, but I cannot promise how many years you can use because the second-hand machine I don't know the condition. I only can change the spare part and good condition to you, but I cannot promise how many years you can use the second-hand machine. So if you have enough budget, I suggest you buy the recon machine. Recon machine and brand new machine, because I know the condition, so you can don't worry to buy. Okay, but a little expensive for the brand new and recon machine. Every time when we give the customer machine, I will test 48 hours or I will test 2 working days. I want to let the machine is good condition to customer. Okay. And this one is our computer system. Our computer system can set all data on here. Can remember 200 times about the life. 200 times about the life. And here, automatic, no handmade, is automatic. Before the old version cutting machine, every time after you cut the paper, you need to control and set the data. After you cut the paper, every time, and then you need control here, control the data. Every time maybe you will waste 2 hours technician salary. And after you install the computer system, can install 200 times about the life data. And in 10 working hours, 9 working hours, when you cut first time, and then it will automatically go to the less data. And you keep going, cut the paper, and it will going less data, going less position, automatic, after you set the data on the screen. So 10 working hour, 9 working hour, you will save 2 technician salary, 2 hour technician salary. And here, This one. This one is our new version. We already upgraded 10 times, so it's very stable and easy to use. Everyone cutting paper machine can install this one computer system. Everyone cutting machine. And maybe 5 hours, 6 hours can finish install. Because I will video call to you, I will send a video to you, and you know how to use. This one. We have 7-inch screen, 10-inch screen. Only a different on the 2 parts. This one is the same machine. No screen, have computer system, is convenient to your factory. Okay? And this one is our computer system. And this one is diagram machine. Diagram machine is used on from 1990 until right now. Many customers they like to buy this one handmade diagram machine because the budget not high and not very expensive. Normal price, so a lot of customers they prefer this one. Normal price and can use 10 years. Also no problem. Okay, so many people demand this machine. This one machine is good. Okay. And this one is the machine.媽1個鐘㗎啦喎！哦，好累啊！This one is sticker machine. Sticker machine, so your paper put here. And the paper will automatically go to the middle side. The paper will come here, put here. And automatic is on the middle side. And the sticker will automatic, after you set the data, the sticker will automatic go on the paper, go on the product. Okay, this one is sticker machine. Sticker machine. Okay, so we can see this video. Have the sample, give you visit. This one video, the product go to the middle side and the sensor check the product coming and then set the product coming and the sticker automatically go to the paper. Automatically go to the paper. Okay? Automatically go to the paper, the sticker. So this one is the sticker machine. And you can see here. Okay? Ma, 你唔信啦，冇人咁樣講1個幾鐘㗎。再加個5分鐘，加個5分鐘，我再堅持5分鐘。Okay, so this one is welcome automatic sticker machine. And when your product come here on the middle side and will the sticker automatically go to your paper. So you can see this video here, the sticker automatic go to the paper. Automatic go to the paper. But paper put here and then go to the middle size. And you can see it's very easy to use and very good. And the price, I think, is going to have a big discount and a big promotion right now because this one is our new product, it's our new version. So if you check on the website, you can check the video. And if you have interest, you can contact me. Okay? And after you contact me, I will send you the price and send you the spare parts to you. After you check, you will know. Machine is good. It's good. Okay. So bye bye.
welcome to our live. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to our live. So today we number one machine are going to tell you more and more machines. Okay, today we would have many surprising machines such as like the die cut machine, the paper cutter computer system, the cold glue spray system, and any other small machines. All right, so today, we number one machine is a branch outlet. It's a Malaysia branch of a China company which is named Nantong. And this Nantong company is actually in China is our main factory, okay, which is our main headquarter lah, which is our HQ, okay. So if you guys are interested to find any supplier, okay, which is experienced, okay, you can find us because we Nantong already in this industry field, already in printing finishing fields for around 35 years experience already, okay. For 35 years experience already, as you guys can see, okay. We have many machines, alright. And we number one machine in Malaysia already have been 14 years experience, okay. 14 years experience, alright. So we are already like very mature in this industry field. So if let's say you are from Malaysia, okay, you can find us, alright. And if let's say you are from China, you may also find us in China as well, okay, in Foshan, Guangdong. Alright, so this is our main HQ building. As you guys can see, it's very big, and our stock, our printing finishing machines, our spare parts, accessories are all stored over here and all manufactured over here. So if let's say today you are finding a sustainable supplier, okay, experienced supplier, and also trustable supplier, reliable supplier, you may find us as well, as you guys can see. This is our office. Very nice, right? This is a reception center. As you guys can see, we are not only doing China local business or Malaysia local business, but also international business. Okay, but also international business. We do global business, alright? As you guys can see, this is also one of our office, and this is where we store our accessories and also spare parts. Okay, as you guys can see, we are not only selling machines, but we are also selling like accessories such as like wash up blade, matrix, and also such as like die cut sponge, and also all the spare parts, as you guys can see. Okay, and you can see we have a very expert technician to do manufacturing, okay, as you guys can see, or do repairing. Okay, today number one machine and Foshan Guangdong Nantong company, we are not only doing we are not only selling machine, but we also try to manufacture our very own product. Okay, so right now we have already launched many product that we own self-made, so you guys have no worry. If let's say you are finding technical support, or maybe you are finding such as like any supplier that able to own manufacturer, then you may find us. As you guys can see, this is the flat bed glue spray machine. Later I'll show you how it looks like, because we have already stock in our store over here right now. And this is one of the and this is one of the machines, okay, packaging machines that we have already own manufacturer as well. As you guys can see, this is a tape applicator, okay. It is also our very own manufacturer machines, and this is the folder gluer machine. So whoever are working in this packaging industry, you may find us, okay, you may find us to tell us what you need, and we will try our best to fulfill your requirement. Okay, as you guys can see, our folder gluer isn't only small sizes, but we also providing you big sizes. You can tell us how long is the folder gluer machines you need, and we can provide to you. As you guys can see, okay, we are not only selling in China, but we also selling in Malaysia, global, okay. So if let's say today you are finding a manufacturer, okay, which is trustable and able to provide you after sales service and also warranty, you may find Nantong and also number one machine. Yeah, we are all the same, okay. It's just number one machine is Nantong Malaysia branch, alright. As you guys can see, This is the lock bottom. So what is this lock bottom? This lock bottom is to like such as like for corrugated boxes, and also like mailbox boxes, and also like such as like the carton box, gift box, also can, any box also can do. And this is also our very own manufacturer product, and this also can be equipped on the folder gluer machine. Applicable for corrugated box, cardboard box also can. Alright, and it's also able to use with the okay, as you guys can see, this is the mailbox that make it, okay, that we made. Alright, and it is very nice. As you guys can see, the speed is very fast, so it can very conveniently to help you guys to do all the working, and you can increase your efficiency. So this is a tape applicator that we very own manufacturer as well. This tape applicator is very high technology. Why I say so? Because this tape applicator, right, it can be in straight line, okay, plus on, it can not only be used on the folder gluer, it can also be used using with the scotch tape, double-sided tape, and also the envelope tape. So as you guys can see, very nice. Wow, and the speed is very fast. So if today you are finding a machine that able to cost your human cost lower, and also increase the profit, you may find this folder gluer machine and equipped with the tape applicator, lock bottom, so that even though it's 4 to 6 corner box or even 8 corner box, we also can try to fulfill your needs, and you have no need to waste so many money on human costs. Okay, very nice. You guys can see, okay, the speed also very fast. Okay, so this is the double-sided tape. So as you guys can see, not only boxes, paper boxes can do, even plastic we also can tape it. Okay, even plastic we also can tape it. So this is the folder gluer machine as well. As you guys can see, very nice and very fast. So we are with this folder gluer machine, you can also auto calculate how many already done, and also you can auto know, okay, how fast is the speed running, okay, and it is in smart control. Okay, it is in smart control, as you guys know, right? Right now, we number one machine and Nantong, we are not only doing those manufacturing, but we are also improving ourselves time by time. Okay, as we know right now, touchscreen smart control is the trend, so we also keep our product in this way, as we are able to convenient our customer, we are able to convenient and increase the efficiency of our customers. Okay, as you guys can see, it is also very friendly to those packaging industry manufacturer. Okay, and this is our very own manufacturer product. So this manufacturer product, what it says, this is a cold glue spray system, and this cold glue spray system can be equipped on the folder gluer machine. Okay, alright, so as you guys can see, it is very nice. And our colleague right now, they are actually packaging, okay, all the machines they are going to send out. Okay, right now, as you guys can see, it is very nice. Alright, and I could very happy to tell you that we are not only doing local business, China or Malaysia, but we also do global business. We post to everywhere of the world. Okay, even though you are from Mexico, you are from Russia, you are from Switzerland, you are from India, you are from Pakistan, you are from Arabic. Okay, also we also welcome you to have a look with our machines. Okay, and also we are very welcome to let you do some customizations order. Alright, as you guys can see, so right now I will show you our store. Okay, right now I will show you our store, and our store is very nice as well, as you guys can see. So right now I'm showing you the Malaysia branch in Selangor area, in Malaysia, Selangor area. Okay, so that Selangor State, Sedang area, as you guys can see. So this is our very own company, Malaysia branch in Selangor, as you guys can see. Okay, many machines are over here. So if today you are looking for machines, you are trying to testing the machines, okay, or you are trying to find machines, okay, you are which is able to view and test, you may also find us number #1 machine. As you guys can see, it's very nice. Okay, all the machine we keep it very nice. As you guys can see, this is the machine that we are going to post out. Okay, we will take good care of the parcel before we send it out. So it is very friendly, and I can assure you our parcel that before sent out, we already double checking already. Okay, so this is the recon machine. This is the recon paper cutter, as you guys can see. All right, and today, alright, we are not only having auto creasing, semi-auto creasing machine, paper cutter, big size paper cutter computer system. We are not only having like paper cutter small size, or a drilling machine, or sealing machine, or pressing machine, okay, but we also got others machine that you guys never seen before. Okay, let's start from the die cut machine first. Okay, so this is the die cut machine, as you guys can see, and this is in new condition new. Okay, so as you guys can see, all right, it is very nice, and the whole thing is very easy to function. As you guys can see, we got a controller over here, and this controller is very convenient. It can help out you to do many function when it comes to working. Okay, and it is very fast. Okay, as you guys can see, even they got a controller over there as well. Okay, you press a start and it will straight away start. As you guys can see, the speed is very fast. The speed is very fast. Okay, so what are these die cut machine do? Okay, this die cut machine, you just put the box mold over the plate over here. Okay, then using the pressure, then it will be done already. Okay, so if let's say today you are working in this packaging industry, you may also consider this die cut machine, because our die cut machine is really market price. Okay, affordable price. Plus we also provide you the after sales service warranty as well, and the condition and also material using is very tip top and quality material. Okay, so you guys can see the speed is very fast. Okay, so if today you are looking for a supplier that can sell die cut machine, then you can find us. Okay, then you can find us, and this is for doing those box mold. Okay, those box mold, you just put the box mold, and then we can produce a box for you already with this machine. Okay, so if let's say today your box is very small, then you can take this to 720 mm. Okay, 720 mm. But if let's say today your box is very big, we got also selling die cut machine until 2 meter. Until 2 meter also got selling. So if let's say today you are finding a very big die cut machine and you are finding a good price, then you can find us. Yeah, guys. Okay, as you guys can see, the speed is very fast, and it can be and it's also very convenient to use, and it also can be also increasing your efficiency so much. Okay, as you guys can see, all the function is very good. Okay, all the function is very good, and the running speed is very fast as well. So you guys can see, you can auto calculate. Okay, once you press on. Okay, you can also have the start, and also the yellow button is actually for die cutting. The yellow button is actually for die cutting, and we also got the time regulator. Okay, with the time regulator, okay, you just turn the knob over here. Then you are able to change it one by one. From this fast, okay, change the speed to 1 by 1. Okay, change the speed to 1 by 1. So if let's say today you are finding a machine, a die cut machine, which is functionable, easy to function, easy to operate, you may consider this. And this is very small only. This is only 720 mm. This is only 720 mm. Okay, so if let's say today you are finding a bigger one, okay, you can tell us. Okay, you can tell us. We are able to welcome you. We are very happy, and we are very available to place your order, to customization your order. All right, as you guys can see. So this is very friendly, and this is also having a handle over here, and this handle is a controller as well. Okay, this handle is a controller as well. Okay, and if let's say for the yellow line, okay, as you guys can see, the yellow line is actually for emergency stop, such as like today, if let's say some of your worker, they accidentally push their hand inside, and then you want to have emergency stop or not, it will gonna have very serious consequences. Then you can straight away use the yellow line to do emergency stop. Okay, all right. So as you guys can see, this is just a very normal die cut machine. We also sell, we number one machine, we Foshan Nantong also sell very special die cut machine. How say so? We also got die cut machine and hot stamping together. Okay, machines for die cut and also hot stamping together one. But that is it's more convenient and it's 2-in-1. Okay, and it's 2-in-1. How 2-in-1? Okay, you can do hot stamping when you want to go, you can heat up. Okay, when you want to do hot stamping. Okay, if let's say today you want to do just normal die cut, then you can just cool it down and you can do normal die cut as well already. Okay, so this is very convenient to those who are in packaging industry. Okay, I will very strongly recommend you guys to if let's say you are looking for die cut machine, I will strongly recommend you to come over number one machine's physical shop to have a try, to have a test, to have a view. Okay, and I will very strongly recommend if today you are a paper manufacturer and you are doing ang pao red packet, or you are doing green packet, or you are doing Christmas bags or this and that, all right, I recommend you to go for the 2-in-1 machine, which is die cut and hot stamping together. Okay, because it is not only can save up your cost, it also can help you to increase your efficiency and faster complete all the orders that you have made. Okay, that your customer made. All right, because when it comes to cool down, you can straight away do die cut. When it heat up, you can straight away do hot stamping. Then why not you just go for this? Okay, then why not you just go for this? Yeah, so this is very nice, as you guys can see. Okay, the speed is running very fast, and you can also adjust to one by itself. Okay, and it's also got an auto calculate function. It also has a controller, handle controller over here. All right, so it is very friendly to even you are a new beginner in this industry. You will also know how to use by our explanation, because we also provide you the after the tutorial video based on how to function the machine after we send it to you or you receive. Okay, so this is the die cut machine. Very nice, right guys? Wow. So and the price is very nice as well. If let's say today you are wondering the price, okay, please tell us what size you want first, so we are able to provide you the actual price list. Okay, all right, so this is the semi-auto creasing machine, as you guys can see. It's very nice as well. Okay, this semi-auto creasing machine, okay, it's also selling in a very good price. All right, why I say so? Because this semi-auto creasing machine, right, okay, it is not only having like cutting blade only, perforation blade only, but they also got creasing blade. As you guys can see, the blade given is very complete, and it's more than enough already, and it's very more than enough, as you guys can see. So even the paper guide, if let's say today your product is different, okay, your product sizes are different, okay, and you would like to do creasing, okay, and you would like to do creasing or perforating functions, okay, you just adjust the paper guide, okay, adjust to the sizes that you want to crease, adjust to the sizes that you want to do the perforations, okay, and then the paper guide, once it adjusts already, it will stable the paper, okay, it will place the paper in a very still place, okay, and it will run continuously. Okay, but I have to tell you, this is manual feeding. Okay, this is manual feeding. But if let's say today you are finding a semi-auto creasing machine, you may find this, yeah, because this is also very convenient as well. So if let's say today you want to do invoice book, okay, or you want to do notebook, you want to do textbook, you want to do any other book, okay, you can find this. You can find this semi-auto creasing machine, because this semi-auto creasing machine right now are doing sales, and other than that, the stock is limited as well. The stock is limited as well, as you guys can see. Okay, this semi-auto creasing machine, it cannot only apply a paper, but let's say today you are applying for upcut, okay, such as like normal name cut. Normal name cut also can do, guys. Alright, so right now I will talk about our very latest, okay, number one machine, our Foshan Nantong own manufacturer product, okay, our very latest Foshan Nantong own manufacturer product, which is this cold glue spray system. This cold glue spray system is very friendly as well, and this cold glue spray system is also using in packaging industry. So let's say today you are a boss in packaging industry and you are looking such as like a very cold glue spray system that able to equip on the folder gluer machine as well. Okay, so you are able to stick the paper, or you are able to do 4 to 6 corner paper box gluing. Okay, you may find this machine, you may find this system because it's very friendly as well, as you guys can see. Okay, all the thing that we use is very easy and very friendly to beginner as well. So this cold glue spray system we are also selling in a very good price. And plus on this cold glue spray system is our very own manufacturer product, right? So for the spare parts, we can also replace it for you if you are facing any problem without cubic damage. Also, we also providing you the warranty. So if let's say today you are looking for warranty after sales service, you are very take it serious, okay, of these two parts, okay, you may find us, alright. So this cold glue spray system minimum must be equipped with 1 gun. Yes, must be equipped with 1 gun. Maximum you are able to equip 6 sensor, 8 sensors, 8 guns. Okay, as you guys can see, maximum 8 sensor, 8 guns, as you guys can see. Very nice. Okay, and it comes with 2 guns and 6 sensor already. So if let's say today you want to open the others one, you may also request when you drop your order down here. Okay, you may also request when you drop your order down here. So as you guys can see, very nice. Okay, and all the material used is very assurable as well. And this is the air pressure gauge, this is the glue deliver tube, and this is the glue bucket. And we also have a very strong sensor over here. As you guys can see, this strong sensor, when it sends a paper or when it sends a box, okay, it straight away will spray. So you cannot put your hand. You must ask your colleague not putting their hand over this sensor. Okay, all right. And this paper and this cold glue spray system, it is very friendly to begin to every foreign worker as well, because it is not only having English but also having Chinese as well. So if today, no matter you are from where, you are from Pakistan, you are from Russia, you are from China, you are from Taiwan, you are from Hong Kong, no worries. Okay, so you guys can see, we can choose the language. Okay, we can choose the language. Okay, all right. So if today you are finding a cold glue spray system which is able to adjust the sizing as well, you may also consider this. Okay, you may also consider this. Okay, so this is the auto function, as you guys can see. Right now we are doing dot. Okay, right now we are doing dot. Once it detect a spray, once it detect a surface, then it will straight away spray so fast. Okay, and right now we change to line. Already. So as you guys can see, if let's say you change to line, it will straight away straighting like this. Okay, so as you guys can see, the gun is really very strong, and it can spray very precisely. So you have no worries about your glue cost. So if let's say today you are a boss, you have no worries about your glue cost anymore, because it saves many glue costs as well. Okay, you just have to wait some time to take it to manual, swap it to manual, so it could be cleaning up itself. Okay, because the manual function is to cleaning up itself. Okay, it's to do the internal cleaning. People also need bathing, right? The cold glue spray system also need. Okay, the cold glue spray system also need. So this is the shape. The shape also can be switchable. You can switch to dot, you can switch to line, according to your like. All right, so you can also have short end, okay, point D and point N. So start point, okay, which is when you start, end point, which is no minimum, I mean like no maximum. Okay, no maximum. And the start point having a minimum, which is must be 5 mm, okay, and this is the point dot, and the point N is actually means to point line. Okay, so the starting point must be minimum 5 mm. The dots to dots distance also must be minimum 5 mm. Which means what? People also must be at least 5 mm. Okay, so As you guys can see, before you operate, you can straight away preset all the sizes. You can straight away preset all the sizes over here. Alright, and once you preset already, okay, it will straight away spread to the area that you want. Other than this, okay, it can also switch the smaller size to the bigger size according to your like, guys. Alright, so as you guys can see, it is also able to auto calculate as well. Okay, it is able to auto calculate as well. So this cold glue spray system is very, very friendly for me, this kind of very, very lazy people. Because it can also auto calculate, so you have no need to hire one more people to help you calculate anymore. Plus on the speed and also the length and also pressure is using will also be in this cold glue spray system. Remembering, he just like a human brain. Wow, very, very high tech. As you guys can see, all the things we have used is very, very tip top, and as you guys can see, they are very, very, very good product because the material that we have used is very, very tip top. It's very, very nice. Alright, so right now we already talked how many machines. We already talked about the die cut machines. We already talked about the semi-auto creasing machine. We also already talked about the cold glue spray system. So right now we are going to talk about the paper cutter computer system. Okay, this paper cutter computer system is also our very own manufacturer product. Okay, how say so? This very, very own manufacturer product, it is made in Nantong, which is our main HQ, and this paper cutter, it is very, very, very thin. Okay, it is very, very this paper cutter computer system, okay, it is also very, very, very convenient to those printing shop or maybe like paper box manufacturer. Okay, so if let's say today you are finding such as like this kind of system that can be equipped on your paper cutter, you can find this. Okay, you can find this. Why? Because our paper cutter computer system, which is our very own manufacturer product, it is able to equip on any brand of paper cutter. So no matter today you are using Polar, Nagai, Perfecta, Heidelberg or Polar, also can use. And if let's say you are worried, my machine is very, very old already, are you sure you can equip? More old, we more like it, because this system are very, very, very specific and very, very customization for those manufacturers are using old machines. Okay, because we know you surely like the old machine and you surely want to upgrade your old machine, but you don't want to waste any money to buy a new machine just for the auto pushing function or for the package function, right? Then you can go for this paper cutter computer system, and this is our very own latest version. So what you will receive? You will receive 3 sensors, okay, 1 motor drive plate, and also 1 inverter, okay, and also one big pulley, 1 small pulley, okay, with also the power supply, and also 2 tons of wires, So in short, which is this paper cutter computer system, this is all the material, okay, this is what's in the material bag, and this is all what you receive. But guys, no worries, this is what you receive, but this is what you see once you've already finished equipping on your paper cutter machines. Okay, because okay, these paper cutter computer machines, why today we are very strongly recommend you to buy this, okay, or you can consider this, okay, because this paper cutter computer system, it is not only having 3 advantages, 5 advantages, but 10 advantages, as you guys can see. Okay, it also have a cutting safety reminder. You may also choose mm or inch, okay, mm or inch as a unit of measurement. Okay, which means what? Which means okay, the mm and inch unit is switchable, and all language are choosable. Okay, but this all language are choosable is actually having a terms and condition, which is if let's say today you purchase above 5, only we can do it for you. So if let's say today, even though your worker is from Russia, your worker is from Pakistan, okay, you just install the Russian language, okay, and also the Pakistan language for them, then can use already. Okay, but the terms and conditions must be you must purchase above 5, only you can modify. Only you can modify. So the software correction is to solve the dimensional error as well, which means you can also cut your paper very precise. Cut your paper very precisely, accurately. You can also control each cuts of paper pushing function and also blower function. So which means today no matter you are using Polar, Nagai, Perfecta or any else, okay, as long as you got equipped with this paper cutter computer system, the paper pushing and the blower function will be functionable and will be very more making your work more easy. Alright, making your work more easier. You can also upgrade the cutting and paper pressing circuit and sharpen and change the blade reminder. Okay, and this paper cutter computer system, it have maximum 150 grooves memory, and each groove also having 112 cutting sizes that can be presetted. Okay, you can also display your company name, your company number on screen, your company profile on screen if let's say today you purchase above 5 as well. Okay, and this paper cutter computer system, it has a very strong smart detect function. Okay, so once again, this paper cutter, before it looks like this. Okay, your worker have to key in one by one, wasting time so much. Okay, and it takes so many long time to finish an order. Okay, no worry, you can straight away buy this to replace your worker. Okay, because this paper cutter computer system is able to equip on many paper cutter. Other than that, it also very convenient to your worker, because your worker can preset all the sizes before they operate. Okay, and plus on this paper cutter computer system, okay, also once it already also lists happening those kind of like damaging or maybe like any accidents. Okay, so as you guys can see, you are able to adjust size by the system. It can also very good to replace the glass ruler and increase the working efficiency. So this is the old version. And this is the new version. As you guys can see, old version have many tons of wire, and it's very complicated, and it is a bit difficult for our new beginner to pair it up. But if let's say for the newcomer, okay, if let's say you are a new beginner, okay, and if let's say you are purchasing the new computer system, all right, can also, because today this paper cutter computers, it is very convenient. Okay, because it's less of wires, and plus all the things is more easier, okay, to use on our beginner. You have no need to also wasting time, okay, or wasting money to hire our technician go there for repairing, for checking, just to pair this up. Okay, we will provide you the after sales service, okay, as before we launch out or before we post out all the parcels. Okay, so you may also take note with my history, so you would know how long that your product will be arriving. Okay, all right, as you guys can see, it's very nice, right? So okay, if let's say today you guys are finding cold glue spray system, you are working in packaging industry, or you are looking for a paper cutter computer system, you may just find us. Alright, you may just find us, guys. Okay, so one last time I will talk about we number 1 machine. Okay, as you guys can see, this is our number 1 machine branch. Okay, it's very nice. As you guys can see, we are not only doing printing finishing machines such as like we are not selling only printing finishing machines such as like paper cutter computer system, drilling machine, binding machine, laminating machine, but we also do packaging machines such as like fat break glue spray, cold glue spray system, die cut machine, and also such as like folder glue machine, lock bottom, tape applicator we also do. Plus on, we also do accessories and packaging, printing finish furnishings, accessories, and equipment. Even though you are doing packaging, also got. Even though today you are doing packaging, also got. As you guys can see. So if you are interested with our product and you would like to ask for more details, you can find 012-204-3395 or 012-204-3809. Okay, these are our very own WhatsApp and also our phone number. So if you are interested to to have a collaboration with us, okay, you may also find us. And also we are very happy to welcome for any customization order, as we will try our best to fulfill your needs. Okay, as you guys can see, this is our shop, and we have already in Malaysia for 14 years experience in packaging or printing finishing industry fields. Okay, so if today you are looking for experience, a trustable, reliable seller, and also very sustainable, you can find Number One Machine. Because Number One Machine not only having experience for many years, we also have a very expert technicians, and also we are also providing you the after sales service and warranty very well. As you guys can see, it is very nice. Okay, and all the machines here, okay, and all the machines here are all the machines that we're selling. Okay, we are selling. So we are not only selling die cut machine, semi-auto creasing machine, cold glue spray system, paper cutter computer system, and also such as like sticker cutter, okay, sticker cutter, or maybe such as like drilling machines, paper cutter, sealing machines, and also such as like pressing machines and gluer machine. We are not only selling this, but we also sell flatbed machines. Okay, so you guys can see the flatbed glue spray machine, okay, coat laminator, and also like the round corner cutter, and also like small laminator, island machine. We also do. So let's say today you are looking for small machines, okay, office use machines, or you are looking for a very big machines, okay, such as like this very big recon paper cutter, you can find us. Okay, you can find us here. As you guys can see, it is the condition are very assured, and it is very nice. Plus on, it can also do very good things. Okay, all right, as you guys can see, it is very nice. So this is one of our machine. Okay, it is very convenient, very friendly to those book manufacturer. So normally we look at our product. Okay, we look at our product. You have to tie it very tightly. Okay, with the rope. Okay, with the rope. All right, you have to tie it very good. Okay, but today with this machine, as you guys can see, this is the inner looks. Okay, this is the inner looks, as you guys can see. With this machine, straight away you can tie up all your book. Okay, even though today you have a very many stack book. Okay, also can do, and it is able to control as well. As you guys can see, we got the power switch. We are able to retreat or reset to the places, and also how is the tension. Okay, you want the tension very tight, or you want it very loose. Okay, also can. And also it got a cooling time as well, and also the additions, okay, that you want it to come out also can be adjustable, as you guys can see. And this is very convenient, as you can also choose manual dispatch as well. So this is a dispatch machine. Okay, so if today you are a manufacturer for book, or you are a paper manufacturer, or you are doing newspaper, okay, this must be very friendly to you, because this is very below very affordable price, and very tip-top quality machines, as you guys can see. The inner is very nice, and the outer is very easy to function. Hello, our newcomer, welcome to our live stream. Thank you so much for supporting us. All right, so welcome our newcomer. So welcome to our live. We are Number One Machine, and actually we are supplying printing, finishings, and packaging machines. So let's say today you are looking for many cute machines, such as like die cut, the paper cutter, drilling machines, okay, paper cutter, also the cold glue spray system, or you are looking for die cut machine, you can find us as well. Okay, you can find us as well. So remember to follow us to see more about the machines. Okay, and we are very experienced in this field. So don't hesitate to tell us what's your need and tell us what you need to do the customization. Okay, alright, so this is as you guys can see, this is the paper cutter computer system which is in latest. Alright, and this is also we are also not selling the machines as well. Okay, and this is the auto and manual paper cutter. The auto and manual paper cutter is also very convenient as well. This auto paper cutter, this auto one, you can preset. Okay, you can preset all the sizes over here before you operating. Alright. Okay, and it is also in two hands operation. And with this auto one, with this auto, okay, the baggage will auto running. Okay, the baggage will auto running after you preset all the sizes. After you preset all the sizes, so your worker is actually, even though he is a foreign worker and he not understand Chinese or this and that, you just show him, okay, one by one, explain to him by your hands, okay, showing him your hand language, then also can do. Okay, so just preset all the sizes, and then we also got this safety sensor over beside. Okay, the safety sensor is over beside. So if let's say today your children, he put his hand over here, no worries. Okay, you can when it sends a hand, it will straight away stop. Okay, it will straight away stop dropping the blade. So this is the auto paper cutter. This is the auto paper cutter, as you guys can see, and the width is 450 mm. Okay, and the width is 450 mm, and this is a storage box. This is the storage box that can be storing everything. Okay, and this is the manual one. As you guys can see, the manual one, you have to adjust the sizing by your own self. You have to adjust the sizing one by one according to your product paper length. But if let's say by the auto one, you have no need, because the baggage will automatically run it. The baggage will automatically run to the sizes that have to preset, they have to cut. Okay, as you guys can see, this is manual and this is auto. So their price also will be different a bit. But both of them, they are just only having one 2 to 3 difference, which is one got baggage, one don't have baggage. One got you are able to preset all the sizes, and one another cannot. And one you have to adjust, and another you only have to adjust. Okay, so these are all their difference and the same. Okay, as you guys can see. Alright, and this is the drilling machine. Okay, this drilling machine also very nice. It comes with a handle and able to change many sizes as well, as you guys can see. Alright, the drill bit also can be changes many sizes as well. Alright, and it is very friendly to those small printing shop manufacturer as well. Okay, very friendly to those small manufacturer. Plus, if let's say today you are looking for this kind of small machines like laminator like this, okay, they're able to do single side, both side, coat and hot lamination, and then still got the anti-curling function, and also can do reverse or insert. Then you may find this. Then you can go for this, because with this laminator machines, okay, all these requirements are be fulfilled. Plus it also have a reverse and insert. It also have an emergency stop button as well. Okay, it also have an emergency stop button as well, and it's just don't have the auto braking functions. Okay, but overall for a machines, for a small manufacturer use or office use, or you are looking for school, okay, because you want to print all the certificates, right? So you can also consider this laminator as well, because this laminator, okay, it has a very strong roller, and it can heat fast. Okay, it can heat up very fast. Plus it can also do single side or double side lamination, and it can also apply with cold and hot lamination as well. So if let's say today you are looking for a laminator which is in very cheap price, okay, below market price, you can find number one machine. We are also selling such as like semi-auto eyelet machine. This semi-auto eyelet machine, you have no need to put the eyelet one by one anymore, but you can straight away store all the eyelet over here, and it will automatically drop down all the eyelet, and you might able to punch it very fast. Okay, this semi-auto eyelet machine, it is very convenient to those are doing small manufacturer as well, because this small eyelet machine, okay, it can store over here. So once you buy the eyelet already, you can straight away store over here, okay, put some and store over here, and once you punch it, it will automatically runs it to here, just like how you process your gun lah, how when we watch drama, how it's doing, okay, how it's doing. And then as you guys can see, and you will put it over here, you place your paper over here, right, and it will punch it automatically. And the sizing, the quality is very, very good as well. Alright, so let's say today you are looking for this kind of small machines, okay, office use machine, and you are looking for big machines, such as like the die cut machine, okay, the paper, the folder brewer machine, we also do. We number one machine also do. Alright, as you guys can see, very, very nice. Okay, all our machines are taken good care, as you guys can see. We are using all this kind of very, very good protector, okay, to protect it, okay, so it will not be under the sun. Alright, and also we are using such as like the paper, we are also using those boxes, okay, before we send it out. So it is very, very, very friendly, and we are able to tell you all the quality before we send it out. We have already double checked, okay, so you have no worries. Okay, so one last time I will talk about the die cut machine, semi-auto creasing machine, the cold glue spray system, and also the paper cutter computer system. Alright, so let's talk about the die cut machines once again. This die cut machine, it can be using to do the paper mold, okay, it can be using to do the boxes, okay, so you can put the mold over here, over these places, this area, and it will, and with the pressure, okay, it will straight away come out the boxes. It will straight away come out with the boxes. Okay, so no matter today what kind of boxes you want to do, such as like you want to do popcorn box, you want to do burger meal box, you want to do KFC burger box, you want to do McDonald's French fry box, also can do as long as you got the mold and you place it over here. Alright, and the die cut machine that we are selling not only having such as like 700 plus mm, we also do until 2 meter. We also do until 2 meter. So let's say today you are looking for a die cut machine which is able to do many kinds of boxes, and you are looking for packaging. Okay, you can find us. Okay, you can find us as you guys can see. Alright, and it is very easy to function. Okay, it have a controller over here. Okay, and this is able, and this is having the stop, okay, the stop, and also the start, and also the pressing function as well. So it is very convenient to use. And plus on, okay, you may able also put it over here, the plate, and it will straight away come out the paper box, right? And it is very functionable, okay, because over here you got a button over here as well. So if let's say today your human, okay, your human worker, alright, your human worker, it is such as like doing the wrong things, okay, putting the wrong mode already. You can straight away press the red button, which is emergency stop. You can also place a new mode over here, which is the correct mode over here, and then you can press the green button, which is start. Or if let's say today you want to add on the die cut function, you may also put over here. Okay, if you want to do the cutting function, also can put over here. And this die cut machine, and this die cut machine, okay, it also can be it's also having a time regulator, which is you can choose the speed. Okay, you want it to be fast or you want it to be 1 by 1. Alright, you want it to be 1 by 1 also can. So it will also have the calculator over here. It can help you to count how many boxes that you already done. Okay, how many boxes that you already done. So let's say today you are looking a die cut machine, you can find us. And I can tell you the condition is very nice, as you guys can see over here. This is the front, this is the middle, and this is the back view. All the quality all the material used is very nice, and the conditions is very good as well. So this is small one, okay, and this is small one, and I can tell you guys this is very small one, okay. Alright, so as you guys can see, okay, and if let's say today you are looking for such as like got emergency stop one, or maybe if let's say today this thing already not unable to functionable, you may also use the yellow line. Okay, you may also use the yellow line to do the emergency stop function. Okay, all right, so let's go to the next one, which is our very own manufacturer product, which is called glue spray system. So this called glue spray system, it can be equipped with the folder gluer, okay, and it can use with the tape applicator, lock bottom as well. Alright, as you guys can see, okay, it is very functionable, okay, and it is in touchscreen smart control. So let's say today you guys are looking for a convenient system which is able to equip on your folder gluer, you can also find us number one machine over here. Alright, as you guys can see, it has a manual and auto function, and it's also a switchable shape. You can choose a line to dot or dot to line. Even the starting point and ending point, point dot and point line, okay, you want to set also can be preset before operating. Okay, as you guys can see, it is very functionable, easy to function as well, and very easy to operate as well. With this with this cold glue spray system, I can assure you must be very satisfied with your working already, because it can highly increase your working efficiency. Plus on, it can also help you to save the glue cost, and also it can help you to do, no matter today you are doing a 4 corner box, 6 corner box or 8 corner box, it is also applicable as well. Alright, so if today you are looking at cold glue spray system which is affordable price, tip-top quality, condition new, and also smart control touchscreen, can be equipped with maximum 8 guns, alright, and also 8 sensor, you can find us. Okay, you can find us number one machine, yeah. So let's go to the next one, which is our very own manufacturer product, which is paper cutter computer system. This paper cutter computer system also very convenient as well, and this is the latest version, as you guys can see. Alright, this is the latest version. The wire is it is more easier to connect. Okay, it is more easier to connect. As you guys can see, the wire is lesser. This is the old one, and this is the new one. The wire and all the system is more easier to connect with. Okay, plus on, it is very friendly to all your foreign workers already. Okay, as you guys can see, this is all the things that you will receive. Alright, you will receive three sensor. Okay, you will also receive inverter. Okay, 1 motor drive plate, 1 big and small pulley. Okay, and also you will receive a power supply. You will also receive an inverter. Okay, this is what you will receive, and it is very easy to connect. Okay, it is more easier to connect already. Alright, as you guys can see, this paper cutter computer system, it is not only having one function, okay, but it has many advantages as well. So as you guys can see, this is what you will receive, but this is what you will see, okay, once you equip with your paper cutter already. And right now we will show you a demo, which is how this paper cutter system, okay, be equipped on our paper cutter already, and how it's function nice. Okay, how it's function nice. So as you guys can see, you can preset, okay, all the sizes. You can insert all the sizes over here, and you can press insert. Okay, once you press insert and enter already, it will straight away automatically run. Okay, it will automatically run, and when you press run, okay, it will straight away run as well. Okay, it's able to use for the back gauge. Okay, it is able to use for the pushing functions, and every card also have the blower functions as well. Okay, as you guys can see. Alright, once you already equip this paper cutter computer system, okay, it will according to your preset sizes to push the paper, to push to adjust the back gauge as well. Alright, as you guys can see, it is very convenient to everyone. Okay, if let's say today you are a paper cutter, you are printing shop, okay, you are a book manufacturer, you are exercise book manufacturer, you may also do this as well. You may also insert this as well. Alright, as you guys can see, okay, it is very functionable. Each cuts of pushing and also blower function can be adjustable over with this paper cutter computer system. So this is our very own manufacturer product, and the after sales service, warranty, and also quality is assured for you. Okay, it's assured for you as well. So if today you are looking a paper cutter, a system that able to make your work more efficiency, you may find us. Okay, you may find us. And this system, I'm very proudly to tell you, is very friendly to your foreign worker. So if let's say today your foreign worker is from Pakistan, is from Russia, is from India, is from Switzerland, or any other country, okay, it is very friendly as well because it is having English and Chinese function. Okay, it is having the most two international language over this system, and you are able to modify your company name and your language. Okay, if let's say today you purchase above 5, so no matter today you are a small manufacturer or you are a big manufacturer, you may also install this on your paper cutter. And I can very happy to tell you, any brand of paper cutter also can be installed. So no matter today you are Perfecta, you are Heidelberg, you are Polar, you are Nagai, okay, you may also come for this. All right, you may also come for this. Yeah. So as you guys can see, okay, this is what you will receive. All right, you will also receive a belt as well. Okay, but this is what you can see after you equip. And we also have 7-inch screen and 10-inch screen. Okay, according to your paper cutter sizes lah. So let's say today your paper cutter is small, you can choose for 7-inch. And if let's say today your paper cutter is very big size, such as like you are having 900 mm or any other lah. Okay, you can also come for this. You may also come for this, yeah. All right, so let's talk about this. Okay, let's talk about the next one, which is our paper cutter. Okay, this paper cutter also have auto and manual, and their function is different, yeah, and how they are operating is different as well. So the auto one is having a baggage as well. Okay, so you can auto pushing. Okay, it have a auto pushing functions. Okay, it can auto push your products, okay, to the places that have to be presetted. Okay, you have no need to adjust one by one or manually anymore. All right, so it is very friendly. And this paper cutter okay, this paper cutter, the width will be 450 mm. So let's say today you are cutting paper A4, okay, or maybe you are cutting a art cut, okay, a art cut, or maybe like you are cutting such as like the name card, you are cutting such as like the any other things lah. Alright, but within 450 mm, you may straight away, okay, go for this. You may straight away go for this because this is very friendly to you and it is very suitable to your product. Plus on, okay, it is having 2 hands operation with a very strong safety sensor. So even today, your children, okay, your children hands are over the blade already, it will have an emergency stop. Okay, it will have an emergency stop function. So it is very highly ensure your children, your worker, and your own safety, okay, because we priority your experience first, we priority your feeling first, okay, we priority your safety first. So that's why, okay, so that's why, and I can I'm very happy to tell you this auto paper cutter is also in a very affordable price only. So let's say today you are interested, you may also direct message us 0122043809, okay, to ask to tell us what you need and tell us what's your product. And if let's say you are Malaysian, okay, you are Malaysian or you are China, okay, or you are Chinese, okay, you want to go for test and view, okay, we are very happy to welcome you to come over our factory and also our Malaysia branch to have a test, to have a view. You may also bring your sample here and we can try it for you, okay. And this is the manual one, okay, and this is the manual one. You can see the manual and the auto one is different, very big, okay, because it is having, you have to adjust the sizes one by one, okay, you have to adjust the sizes one by one by adjusting the knob, okay, and you have to put your paper, okay, at the right way. So you have to do the marking, or maybe you have to measure all the length nicely before you do the cutting. But if let's say by the auto, you can straight away preset over here and it will straight away auto cut. Okay, you straight away auto cut, and both of them are actually 2-hand operation and with safety sensor. So let's say today you are you are not that high budget and you are just a small manufacturer, you may come for the manual one. But if let's say today you are a manufacturer which is doing big business already, and you would like to extend more, you can straight away come to this auto one. Okay, you can straight away come to this auto one. So we are also not selling paper cutter. We are not also selling machines, but we are also selling spare parts. As you guys can see, we are selling filter bag, we are selling the belt, we are also selling the PU tube, we are also selling such as like the ink shovel, okay, and also the packaging items, okay, packaging related items, which is the rope, okay, we also sell, and we also sell such as like recon machine, not only new machine, we also sell recon machine, or maybe we also sell our very own manufacturer product. So let's say today you are looking such as like a very complete supplier, alright, and you are looking such as like a very stable supplier, sustainable supplier, reliable supplier, you may find us number one machine or China, Foshan, Guangdong, Nantong, okay, Nantong, alright. So we number one machine already in this printing industry field and also this packaging field for 14 years experience, and our very main HQ, which is Nantong, already in this packaging and industry field for 35 years already, almost 40 years experience. So it's very reliable and it's very experienced. So you may tell us if let's say today you have any order, you have any customization order, and you would like to drop the machines, okay, drop order for the machines, you may also find us, alright. So if let's say you want to go for test and view, we are also very welcome you, okay, we are also very welcome you. As you guys can see over here, okay, when you come inside, alright, you will also can see our office, okay, you also can see our office, and we are also selling such as like book screw, okay, books corner screen, the book corner screen, the book corner protector, okay, we are also selling such as like the rubber, okay, blanket, and also such as like the button, valve, okay, and if let's say today you are looking for spare parts, okay, or accessories, you may also find us as well, because even the protective film, okay, or maybe like the eyelet, we also sell, laminate film, we also sell. So we have sell many things. So if let's say you can't find the things you need, you are doing in this printing, packaging, finishing fields, okay, and you are looking such as like a supplier, okay, you may find us number one machine, yeah, guys, okay. So our live will end over here. So if let's say you have any questions to ask, you have more details to ask, and you would like to come for collaborations or any other else, you may also find us, okay. One last time I will tell you guys our contact number, which is 01220438009. We are very welcome you for any order or any collaborations, okay. And if let's say you are looking for a supplier, you may also find us as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.